stop buying AV receivers based on reviews. So, which 5 AV receivers are actually worth your money in 2026, and which ones are all marketing? Today, I'll reveal the only 5 I'd confidently recommend and show you how to avoid the expensive mistakes most buyers make. Like the video, and subscribe for honest soundbar reviews that help you buy smarter. Comment. Make sure to tell me what the next video should be about. And check the description for best prices and product links. How we chose these AV receivers? The AV receiver market is packed with excellent brands, making it difficult to know which model is actually worth buying. Instead of chasing marketing claims or impressive spec sheets, we focused on real-world performance and selected receivers that solve everyday home theater problems. Our recommendations are based on 3 priorities. First, each receiver must match a specific type of room instead of trying to fit every situation. Second, it needs meaningful future-proof features, like reliable HDMI 2.1 support for modern gaming and entertainment. Third, it must improve the actual listening experience with features that make movies, music, and dialogue sound noticeably better. That means we ignored inflated power ratings and unnecessary extras. A receiver with endless features isn't valuable if it doesn't perform well in a real living room. Practical performance always matters more than marketing numbers. These 3 receivers stand out because they offer the best balance of reliability, features, and long-term value. Whether you're building a small apartment setup or a dedicated home theater, each one is the best choice for its category. Stop chasing watts, focus on room correction. One of the biggest buying mistakes is choosing an AV receiver based only on watts per channel. While higher numbers look impressive on the box, they're often measured under ideal conditions and rarely reflect real-world performance with multiple speakers connected. A much more important feature is room correction software. Every room introduces reflections, uneven bass, and acoustic problems that can dramatically reduce sound quality. Even expensive speakers can't perform at their best if the room isn't properly calibrated. Technologies like Odyssey Multi-Q XT32 and Dirac Live measure your room using a calibration microphone and automatically optimize speaker levels, timing, and frequency response. The result is tighter bass, clearer dialogue, and a much more realistic surround sound experience. As we go through our recommendations, pay close attention to the room correction each receiver offers. In everyday use, advanced room correction often delivers a far bigger improvement than a small increase in amplifier power. Best AV receiver for small rooms, Onkyo TX NR6100. If you're upgrading from a soundbar in a small living room, bedroom, or apartment, the Onkyo TX NR6100 is one of the smartest AV receiver choices you can make. It delivers an excellent balance of performance, features, and value, without paying for capabilities most people will never use. The TX NR6100 supports 7.2 channels, allowing you to build a 5.2.2 Dolby Atmos system for true overhead surround effects. It also includes full HDMI 2.1 support with 4K, 120Hz, VRR, and ALM, making it an outstanding option for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X gamers. Beyond movies and gaming, the receiver offers excellent streaming support with AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, and compatibility with Sonos systems. Its dual subwoofer outputs also make it easier to achieve smoother bass throughout smaller rooms. The biggest limitation is its AccuEQ room correction system, which isn't as advanced as Odyssey XT32 or Dirac Live. It also lacks full pre-outs for future amplifier upgrades. However, for first-time home theater owners and apartment setups, the TX NR6100 delivers outstanding real-world performance at its price. Best AV receiver for most living rooms, Denon AVR X3800H. For the majority of home theater enthusiasts, the Denon AVR X3800H is the receiver that offers the best long-term value. It's powerful enough for larger living rooms while providing the flexibility to expand your system as your home theater grows. The X3800H features 9 channels of amplification, 11, 4, channel processing, and support for 4 independent subwoofers. It also includes multiple HDMI 2.1 inputs with full 4K, 120Hz compatibility, making it equally impressive for movies, streaming, and next-generation gaming. What truly separates it from most competitors is its room correction capability. It includes Odyssey Multi-Q XT32 out of the box and offers an optional upgrade to Dirac Live. giving users access to one of the most advanced room calibration systems available for consumer home theaters. Although the Dirac license requires an additional purchase, the receiver's upgrade path makes it an excellent long-term investment. With full pre-outs for external amplifiers and outstanding system flexibility, the AVR X3-800H is one of the most future-proof AV receivers in its class. Best AV receiver for a dedicated home theater. Marantz Cinema 50. If you're building a dedicated home theater and want premium performance, the Marantz Cinema 50 stands at the top of the list. It's designed for enthusiasts who value refined sound quality, premium construction, and a receiver that can become the centerpiece of a serious home cinema. Like the Denon AVR X3-800H, the Cinema 50 offers 9 channels of amplification, 11, 4, channel processing, support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, RO, 3D, and the option to upgrade from Odyssey Multi-Q XT32 to Dirac Live. The difference lies in Marantz's focus on audio refinement. Its proprietary HDMI, hyperdynamic amplifier module circuitry, gives music and movie soundtracks a warmer, richer, and more detailed presentation. Combined with excellent build quality and premium components, the Cinema 50 delivers an immersive listening experience that feels both powerful and natural. The biggest drawback is the price. Compared with the Denon AVR X3-800H, you're paying extra for higher quality construction, elegant design, and the last level of sonic refinement. For dedicated theater enthusiasts, that investment can be worthwhile, but for many buyers, the Denon remains the better overall value. Final conclusion. Choosing the right AV receiver becomes much easier once you match it to your room and your needs. For small rooms and apartments, the Onkyo TX NR6100 offers excellent value and gaming performance. For most living rooms, the Denon AVR X3-800H delivers the best balance of features, flexibility, and future upgrades. And for dedicated home theaters, the Marantz Cinema 50 provides premium sound and build quality. Don't get distracted by the highest wattage numbers or the longest feature list. Instead, focus on room correction, HDMI 2.1 support, system expandability, and how well the receiver fits your listening space. Those factors have a much greater impact on your everyday experience. The right receiver isn't necessarily the most expensive one, it's the one that complements your speakers, your room, and your long-term plans. Making the right choice today can save you years of unnecessary upgrades and give you a home theater you'll truly enjoy. If this guide helped you narrow down your options, like the video and subscribe for more honest AV receiver reviews, home theater advice, and soundbar comparisons. Let me know in the comments which receiver you're planning to buy, and thanks for watching.